Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado paratha, step by step. We will begin by gathering all our necessary ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 ripe avocado, about 2 cups of whole wheat flour, and a few common spices. Make sure you have a mixing bowl, a rolling pin, and a griddle ready to go. Using fresh ingredients is truly essential for achieving the best possible flavor and texture in your homemade parathas. Now, let's move on to crafting our unique avocado dough. First, take your ripe avocado and mash it thoroughly until it becomes a smooth, creamy paste. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine about 2 cups of whole wheat flour with the mashed avocado. Incorporate a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder for a subtle kick. Knead this mixture diligently for about 5 to 7 minutes until you achieve a soft, pliable dough consistency. With our dough ready, it is time to roll out our perfect parathas. Begin by dividing the prepared dough into 8 equal-sized portions. Take 1 portion and lightly dust your work surface with a bit of flour to prevent any sticking. Using a rolling pin, carefully roll each portion into a circular shape, aiming for a diameter of approximately 6 inches. Remember to maintain an even thickness across the entire paratha for uniform cooking and a delightful texture. Finally, let's cook and enjoy our delicious avocado parathas. Heat a griddle or a flat pan over medium-high heat until it is nice and hot. Place 1 rolled paratha on the hot griddle and cook it for about 2 minutes per side, until it turns a beautiful golden brown. While cooking, brush approximately a half teaspoon of oil on each side. Serve these warm, flavorful avocado parathas immediately with your favorite yogurt, pickle, or chutney for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.